bored very easily. So I need different characters to keep myself engaged and interested. I'm very proud of my journey. I'm very grateful for this journey. And people can say whatever they want. I think this is the only industry where meritocracy, reigns supreme. So if you're good at what you do and you work hard and you believe in yourself, even sky is not the limit.
Like when you're doing another great author-back role, and you have done so many throughout your career, the list is endless. When you're doing another great author-back role, when you approach it, is there ever new butterflies in your stomach? How are you going to approach it? What new you're going to bring to the table? Or now it's like easy peasy. Now you know what you're at the top of your game.
No, I always get nervous. And especially when you're playing a real life person, I think the nervousness is that much more. And someone like Shakuntala Devi, who is very difficult to describe or define because she was so many things, right? So, yes, I was nervous for sure. And um, I think um, I worked I worked hard, for example, on the maths shows because there are many performances in the film in terms of many maths shows that we've shown in the film. And she had a certain style, she had a certain ease with numbers, and I had to have that. So not that I rehearsed it or anything, but I had lots of conversations with Anu Menon trying to figure out how we need to approach this. And of course, then there was her emotional graph and all of that.
But if I were to pick the brain behind such an incredible artist that you are, what is it that helps you revamp yourself? Like we never see the same Vidya, even if two roles are similar. When maybe not Shakuntala Devi, but the two roles are similar when it comes to the gravitas, when it comes to the craft. Still, what helps you differentiate them?
Firstly, thank you, Russell. You just made my day. But I feel, I get bored very easily. So I need different characters to keep myself engaged and interested. I don't want to play the same character again. That's the joy for me. Being an actor really means getting into the shoes, into the world, inhabiting the world of some new person every single time. So I'm very grateful that I'm getting those opportunities.
Sure. Okay, now someone who has someone who we have enjoyed watching, and someone who's seen our own movies on that big silver screen. And you have a biopic of the statue of Shakuntala Devi coming to Amazon. Obviously, it will be attracting to a lot more people. But if I just were to ask the artist in you, are you some way or another, would you have some way or another preferred that such a important project would have been seen on the big screen?
No, obviously it was made for the big screen, but our film was ready. So it didn't make sense for us to wait indefinitely because we don't know when people will start going to the theaters. And even when they do, ours is a medium sized film. The bigger films would probably not leave us with too many shows. And the Amazon Prime is a great platform because their reach is just unbelievable, right? It's 200 countries, and people who watch language content in every language are going to be watching this, not just people who watch Indian films. So I think it's a win-win in the given circumstances. Yes, I know this. It would have been lovely to see this on the big screen, especially because the scale it's got scale. Some of those locations are beautiful. I've had the opportunity to play a character from the age of 25 into her 60s, so that's a lovely graph visually. So even my makeup and makeup artist and hairstylist were like, oh my god, we want to see it on the big screen. So my only request to everyone is please watch Shakuntala Devi on Amazon Prime Video starting 31st July, but watch it on the biggest screen available in your home.
A little bit. I said on the big plasma screens we had, not on.
Yay, great.
That's how we should. That's how we should always watch Vidya Balan, obviously Shakuntala Devi, a biopic.
Thank you.
Vidya, when you have essayed so many roles, uh, you would say, like when you say a project like Parinita, a project like Ishkia, a project like Dirty Picture, Kahani, you were one of the first actresses who A, did not need ever any male co-star to show what she can bring to a project. B, made the audience believe this is absolutely not necessary. We have moved past that. And
Sorry,
C,
sorry, sorry, sorry. You said audience?
you made the audience believe that that is not necessary. We have moved past that. The
Right.
heroine is good as the hero in any film. And C, those were all feminist roles. Those were strong feminist roles. Yet for all, we never ever saw you having to say that I was the one who started feminism. We were the one who said it. So what's the difference over there? I don't, we are the one who tell it for you.
And I'm very grateful you'll do. It is a huge form of appreciation for me. But I think I was also at the right place at the right time. You know, it's I was I was itching to do substantial roles, and I was feeling like my heart is not in those typical Hindi film heroine roles because I was sticking out like a sore thumb. And at that time I got offered an Ishkia and a Pa. So I think when you put something out into the universe, it probably responds to it. And we were ready to see women take center stage. We were ready to see female heroes. And those films were waiting to be made. And I was waiting to do those films, and it all came together at the right time. So I think I feel like I can't take credit for it. Though I'm, like I said, I'm very happy when you credit me with it, but I can't really take credit for it.
But when somebody like says that they started feminism, do you feel like, nahi, yaar, I started, but I was the first one to do those feminist roles? Do you ever feel like ever saying it out loud, or you have peace with it?
No, no, no. I think, firstly, I think over time, we are where we are because of all that the women before us have gone through, the women before us have done. And in films, I think all that the actresses before us have done.
Like
So,
dating back to India, probably.
sorry?
Like dating back to probably to Mother India.
Yeah, exactly. So, it's not just suddenly, it's not like it's a desert and this is suddenly an oasis. It's like slow, small rivulets meeting and joining the river. It's more like that.
Would we ever see you do a movie like Hey Baby or Houseful ever again?
I don't think so. I don't enjoy them and they don't enjoy me.
We would enjoy you in anything. So, but
Thank
you have moved past that for sure.
Yeah, because I realize that I stick out like a sore thumb. It's not my scene. Some people do it beautifully. I don't know why. I just don't.
Okay. Okay.
And now, in terms of content, also, when I'm being offered such wonderful roles in wonderful stories, I don't feel the need to go back.
Are those projects offered to you anymore? Like even producers, filmmakers know that no, Vidya is not.
No, not really.
Okay,
Not really.
Okay, okay, okay. When you speak about a movie back again to Shakuntala Devi, how much of a balance is required when you're showing her life, like her life as an achiever on a professional front, as long along with her life with her family, her personal life? How much of a balance needs to be maintained in that?
Everyone knows about her professional life, so to speak, at least the highlights. Okay, you'll get to know even more when you watch the film. But what makes someone's life really interesting is not just what they've achieved, but their background, where they came from, how far they traveled, how what they achieved impacted their relationships, or what sacrifices they had to make to get where they did. So I think that personal angle is very, very crucial. And this story is being told through the eyes of her daughter.
Yeah. Okay.
which is
which
being
I
played by Sania Malhotra.
which I believe her real life daughter has also contributed her inputs to the script.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Anupama Banerjee and Ajay, her husband, have really helped, with sharing Shakuntala Devi's life with us.
True. Okay, I must ask you now, Vidya, at this point in time, that I'm a little angry. Okay, I'll tell you, frankly, I am a little angry. Okay, when I see an artist of your stature who we have celebrated, who has given us so much reason to smile, and who has always stood on the right side, get backlash for no reason at all. Does that make you angry too? I am angry as your friend.
So sweet. No, I'm. I don't think about these things honestly. For example, at this point, the only thing I'm thinking is, how can I best promote Shakuntala Devi so that everyone watches it on Amazon Prime Video on 31st itself, and then whenever they can repeat watch it. But that's my only focus at this point.
Okay, okay, that's nice to say, and I definitely we do believe you because the amount of interactions we've had with you, we know the kind of person you are. But
Right.
yes, but do you think so that some way or another this may affect you from speaking your mind in future? We're going to see the same video always speaking your mind fearlessly.
No, Russell, I don't read anything. Even when I post on social media, I don't read the comments. So I'm blissfully unaware. I get to know from other people if there have been reactions to anything I posted, or if there is if there are, news articles about me, or just generally articles about me. But I don't really read anything. I don't watch entertainment news about myself. So I think
You
I will continue to speak my mind, um, because that's the only way I know to be.
we wish you to always be like that.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Ji was also a pioneer, one of the first people who spoke out openly for LGBTQ rights. She was, when it came to people, she wrote a book also at that time, which wasn't as popular because the times were different. Is that aspect of her personality also touched upon in the movie?
Yes, absolutely. And as a matter of fact, I've been trying to get a copy of the book. I haven't found one. Because when I was preparing for the film, I wanted to read the book. I didn't find it anywhere. But it's obviously a very important work because it's the first book on homosexuality in India. So I hope it goes into reprint or something now.
I'm saying that 2020, with people being involved, is it a right time that the LGBTQ aspect can be that probably some years earlier that the movie was made, this aspect of a life may not have been able to be highlighted.
No, but this is a very important part of our life. So whenever we chose to tell the story, we couldn't have not included this. But you are absolutely right. This is the best time for this film to have happened because people are more open-minded and accepting at this point.
Okay. Okay, Vidya, I must ask you, if you were probably not married to the stature of a big producer, would people have been more accepting to the things you when it comes to insiders, outsiders? That debate is not ending right now. Probably people would have been more accepting, but now they're not seeing you as speaking your mind, but they're seeing you as somebody already associated with someone else in the industry.
They are seeing me as?
Probably not Vidya Balan speaking her mind, but somebody, but as a lady associated with someone else in the industry.
That's very convenient. I don't see how that changes the fact that I come from a non-film family and I've worked very hard to get where I have. I'm very proud of my journey. I'm very grateful for this journey. And people can say whatever they want. You know, uh, it doesn't matter to me.
And
You know, you know, 2 plus 2 equals 4 wherever you go in the world. It doesn't matter if anyone has a problem with it.
true. And it is also telling that someone who has made a mark right from Hum Punch, far before Pariksha came, far before you did movies in other languages also. but the same lady has never ever had to say, keep beating the point, keep driving the point home that look, I have come, look, I have struggled, look, I have this, look, I have done that. As opposed to some other people, I'm even taking names over here, because your experiences were different, or you didn't feel the need to say it out loud.
No, I think it's just everyone's experience is unique and everyone's personality is unique. So I think it's a combination of both.
Do you believe that I have to ask you this, Vidya, I cannot help myself. Do you believe that till date, outsiders are having it far more difficult in the industry, as someone who has achieved so much as an outsider yourself, as opposed to people who come from?
Of course, it is difficult. I won't deny that at all. It is easier when you know you come from uh, within the industry, but I think this is the only industry where meritocracy, reigns supreme. So if you're good at what you do and you work hard and you believe in yourself, even sky is not the limit.
True, true. Thank you so much, Vidya.
Thank
Al-
you. Lovely talking to you, Russell.
Okay.
Always a pleasure talking to you. The pleasure is all mine. And yeah, Shakuntala Devi, I'm sure you're going to rock the character like you rock every character we see you in.
How sweet. Thank you. God bless.
Bye bye.